Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to sync contacts on Android with Gmail account. So here you can just open the settings of phone, because from the phone settings you will have to find sync contacts. So you can just scroll down and here you can see the users accounts. So you can just click to the users account, and here is the third number option is Google. So you will have to just click to the Google. So here you can choose the account, which account you will have to sign. So here you can see account and sync. So you can just, if turn it off button contacts, so you will just have to turn it on. So from here you can sync the contacts from email. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.